Free will compliance and foot in the door effect. The lost bank note. According to an original experiment of Robert Vincent Joule in 2002. If we find a banknote on the ground and we know who lost it, do we always give it back to its owner? Various persons participate in this experiment. First, there is Mrs. Smith, who usually loses her banknotes. And here's Mr. Fix-It, who mends things around the university. And let's not forget Miss Pat, who is really rather lost, but who won't take part immediately. Is everybody ready? Let's start. First experimental condition. Let's follow this stranger. Very good. So, let's try with another stranger. One more stranger. In this context, in which there is a witness, Robert Vincent Joule observes that 100% of the passers-by give the banknote back to its owner. Second experimental condition. This time, the street is empty, but Miss Smith is still there and still as absent-minded. Let's follow this stranger. Let's try with another stranger. One more stranger. The passers-by's behavior is not exactly the same as before. When there is no witness, only 30% of the passers-by give the lost banknote back to its owner. Third experimental condition. Miss Pat is now going to join in. She waits for the passers-by and addresses them.
Excuse me, I'm a bit lost. I'm looking for the bus station.
You go straight ahead and then turn right, then the second on your left, and you will find the bus station.
You're really a nice person.
Thank you.
Will this exchange have an impact on the behavior of the passers-by?
You're really a nice person. You're really a nice person.
Obviously, Mrs. Smith's little sentence changes a lot of things.
You're really a nice person.
Thank you.
Now, 69% of the strangers give the lost banknote back. Conclusion. According to the circumstances, these passers-by behaved very differently in the three experimental conditions. 100% when an observer is present, 30% when she or he is alone, and 69% in the foot in the door condition, the third one. FITD, or foot in the door technique, is a compliance tactic that involves setting a person up to agree to a large request by first getting them to agree to a modest one. It clearly works very well. Thank you.